Okay, so in order to explain a little bit what I'm trying to do here, Brenda's on the table and I'm going to adjust her mid-back or her thoracic spine. And the way that we do that is very simple. All I'm going to do is come up, I'm going to push up a little bit and then thrust downward, like that. That moves the vertebra up and into the location that it's supposed to be in, but it also allows that vertebra then to move more normally like it should. How was that?
Boy, I needed that.
Yeah, good, good. So that's really as simple as it is. It doesn't hurt, it relieves pressure and tension, and it allows the spine to function more like it should and takes pressure off those delicate nerve roots that come off of the spine. I hope this explains things a little bit and relieves people's anxiety, because sometimes people are a little bit afraid of what a chiropractic adjustment is all about. Have a great one.